Hello YouTube, this is Miraculously Tech here with a tutorial for you on how to make glossy text in GIMP. Now you can get GIMP at gimp.org, which is basically this website right here. It enables you to act as if you're using Photoshop, because obviously Photoshop's a pretty expensive program, and this is, by the way, a freeware. So it's totally free in any way. You don't have to crack it or whatever you want to do with that. So okay, so you just download it and install it like you would on any other program, because it uses a pretty basic installer. So now you're gonna open up your GIMP and go to File, New to create a new canvas, and I'm gonna leave it on defaults, but obviously the size, you could change the size. And I'm actually gonna fill this in with the gradient just to make it look nicer. To make a straight gradient, here's a tip: you could hit the Control key, and in Photoshop the Shift key is what you hit for the straight stuff aligned properly, but in GIMP it's actually the Control key. So yeah. Now you're gonna take your text tool and you're gonna type your text. Click on Close. Now I'm just gonna leave my text like that and maybe center it a bit. Yeah, so once you have your text, make sure it's anything, your text color is anything but white, because white is basically gonna be the gloss effect. So you're gonna right click your text layer and click on Alpha to Selection. Then you're gonna create a new layer, name it Gloss, just to keep it organized, and just click OK. So we're going to take our ellipse select tool and we're going to go to our tool options and select it to intersect from selection, which is, by the way, the first from the right and the last from the left. So we're just going to create somewhat a circle, oval, sorry, and yeah, it'll basically do its job. So yeah. Now you're going to take your fill bucket tool and make your foreground to white and just fill that up. And then once you have that, you can go to Select, None, and basically lower your opacity from there, and you have your glossy text, which is a very, very common effect. But there's to make your glossy text look more natural, you could take from here, where you basically use your ellipse selection tool just to intersect your selection a bit. You could have take your a blend tool and went to tool options, and on the gradient just click on it and selected FG to transparent, and then you're just gonna go you could also go select shrink it by about 2 pixels. You get something like that. Then you just basically just drag it down like that, and then it looks more natural and nicer. Yeah, if you get what I mean, because it's really, really nice like this. So I recommend you doing this way instead of the previous way, but obviously if you want it nice and simple, just do it the other way. So basically all I want to say is thanks for watching my tutorials. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's basically it. And that's how to make glossy text in GIMP. So I'm just gonna continue doing Photoshop tutorials, but I'm gonna often do GIMP tutorials too. So thanks. Bye.